NIA court ama leibasina justice delivered over matamda koigi Khumang Chaosillgani thuna tawgani haibagi thajaba thamjari loinana irang leiba lebaknina NIA related courts case aduki matik yamna leibanina ekoigi client singna mapanda chatna yamna expensive oina chalambaduma handarani haibagi adugi aingonda koigi hauze loinana justice delivered over the Athoiba matamda tawbagi system ama nakna lerabnina oiragani haina khanjaraganda ei tinbiriba punampu thagadu phongru sari jai electronic media ki sinau punam boini kai kumnu chiri samda manipura yanaba NIA ki court ama leibasina justice delivered over matamda koigi Khumang Chaosillgani thuna tawgani haibagi thajaba thamjari loinana irang leiba lebaknina NIA related courts case aduki matik yamna leibanina ekoigi client singna mapanda chatna yamna expensive oina chalambaduma handarani haibagi adugi aingonda koigi hauze loinana justice delivered over the Athoiba matamda tawbagi system ama nakna lerabnina oiragani haina khanjaraganda ei tinbiriba punampu thagadu phongru sari jai
Housing, the Cabinet Report. Honorable Cheif Minister Yumnam Khemchand lives directly. So, Lady Manipur and Ki Khangabok Thoubal.
That we assemble here today at the Thoubal District Court Complex, Khangabok, to witness what may fairly be described as a significant milestone in the continuing narrative of judicial institution building in Manipur. The inauguration of this exclusive Special Court Manipur for National Investigation Agency NIA cases is not to be spectacled merely as the opening of another courtroom. It is, inter alia, an ode to constitutional commitment, national security, access to justice, and the rule of law. It represents the coming together of the union government, state government, and the High Court in pursuit of a common constitutional objective, namely ensuring that offences of grave nature, particularly those pertaining to sovereignty and national security, are adjudicated with fairness to prosecution, accused, and victims, with efficiency and speed. The constitutional nucleus of today's occasion lies of the Constitution of India. The guarantee of life, personal liberty under Article 21 does not operate in vacuum. It extends equally to the accused, the victims, the witnesses, and the society at large. Constitutional guarantees. Liberty without timely adjudication becomes uncertain. Just as security without due process becomes unsustainable. The true task of a constitutional democracy is therefore to maintain a careful balance between individual rights and collective security. The sequitur is unmistakable. A robust justice delivery system must be capable of protecting both. Ergo, the establishment of this exclusive court is not merely an administrative development. It is a constitutional measure. It may be apposite to note that prior to this day, the state of Manipur already has 3 courts designated under Section 11 of the NIA Act 2008, namely NIA Special Court Number 1, District and Sessions Court Imphal East, NIA Special Court Number 2, District and Sessions Court Imphal West, and NIA Special Court Number 3, District and Sessions Court Churachandpur. However, these courts were simultaneously discharging the extensive responsibilities of regular district and served an institutional necessity. Experience has demonstrated that the growing complexity and sensitivity of NA matters require a more focused and specialized adjudicatory mechanism. The recent proceedings before Honorable Supreme Court of India in suo motu petition criminal number 1 of 2026, name of the case is in re creation of special exclusive courts, where the matter concerning the creation of exclusive special courts under the NIA Act have brought this issue into sharp focus. The Honorable Supreme Court, after considering the position across the country, emphasized the urgent need for operationalization of exclusive special courts under Section 11 of the NIA Act and envisaged a framework where such courts function exclusively for NIA cases and proceed with trials on a day-to-day basis. The Honorable Supreme Court further indicated that ripe trials should be continuously taken up so as to facilitate their conclusion within a reasonable and structured timeline. The establishment of this court at Thoubal is therefore both a response to the directions of Honorable Supreme Court and an institutional acknowledgement of a long-felt need. I place on record my sincere appreciation to the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, and the Government of Manipur for the alacrity with which this initiative has been pursued. The establishment of this court cannot be viewed in isolation. It forms part of a larger narrative concerning the strengthening of judicial infrastructure in the state. The High Court has already submitted proposals to the state government for creation of additional courts, augmentation of ministerial staff, and establishment of supporting infrastructure. We have also indicated the need for further specialized courts, including dedicated courts for categories of offences requiring focused adjudicatory attention and corresponding institutional support. The judiciary looks forward, who assumes charge of this court today. Many congratulations and best wishes. On this note, I deem it appropriate to remind the learned judicial officer that the confidence reposed in this institution will ultimately depend not upon the notification that created it, but upon the fairness, efficiency, independence, and quality of dispositive reasoning to be reflected in your judicial decisions. The judiciary, the investigating agencies, the prosecution, and the bar, particularly the defense counsel, must come together, muster the institutional resolve necessary to ensure that these proceedings are conducted with utmost professionalism and constitutional fidelity. Liberty is the cornerstone of Article 21, and equally, national security cases cannot remain suspended in an interminable interregnum between investigation and verdict. It is a delicate balance. Justice in such matters must proceed with fairness, firmness, and constitutional fidelity without any gap between each other. This is the constitutional philosophy underpinning establishment of this exclusive court today. With these words, I convey my best wishes to the learned presiding officer, the members of the bar, both prosecutors and defense counsel, court staff, investigating agencies, and every stakeholder associated with this newly established court. Best wishes and thank you.
Welcome Shri K. Singh, Honorable Minister, Home and Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur.
Side.
And next to our Honorable Mr. Justice M. Sundar, Chief Justice, High Court of Manipur. Honorable Chief Minister Manipur, the Buki Kudol Tanjiri, Ikakunajariba, Shri Nepal Soni Kumar, District and Section. Honorable Mr. Justice M. Sundar, Chief Justice, High Court of Manipur, Matanda, Shri and Good Affairs and Sports, Manipur. And next to our during the honor is Shri Nepal Soni Kumar, District and Session Judge. And next to Shri Lenin Singh Hizam, Advocate General, Manipur.
Side to view.
Respected Shri Suraj Kumar Okam, Honorable esteemed guests, friends from media, print and electronic, ladies and gentlemen.
Doktam Talebo.
Opagawaro Thambina Bagdamak of Sinjake Shri Arun Kumar Sinha, RAS Board. To formally welcome the gathering, I request Shri Arun Kumar Sinha,
To Shri, to all the judicial officers, Inclusive Special Court Manipur NIA was established at Khangabok Thoubal, has been designated by the central government under Section 11 of the National Inauguration Agency Act 2008. Special Exclusive Court. The Honorable Supreme Court has emphasized the need for exclusive special courts.
Exclusive Special Court Manipur by Shri Yumnam Khemchand, Honorable Cheif Minister Honorable Mr. Justice Chief Justice Manipur, in the presence of Shri K. Honorable Minister Hounabi, Manipur, Honorable Mr. Justice K. Judge, High Court of Manipur, Honorable Mr. Justice Judge, High Court of Manipur, Shri Alfred K.S. Arthur, Honorable MP out of Manipur, Constituency, Shri Suraj Kumar Okram, Honorable MLA, Shri Achumba Wayel, IS Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, Shri Arun Kumar Sinha, IS Principal Secretary, Law, Government of Manipur, on Monday, day 8 June 2026.
Thank you.